Please hand me your booking card.
And the proof of the Bitcoin transfer?
Not yet.
Does this safari guarantee I will come back alive?
We guarantee nothing except the dinosaurs. These are real photos of real dinosaurs taken yesterday or 6 million years ago. As you wish. This is Mr. Travis. He will be your safari guide in the past. He'll tell you when and where to shoot. If you disobey, there's a steep penalty of another 10 Bitcoin and possible government action.
Can I see a proof about the animals you've hunted? I can see you've hunted too many animals.
Yes.
You know, some of these are protected. It's illegal to hunt some of these animals, like the elephants or rhinoceros.
Many of them I shot to survive. It was their life or mine.
You've shot every animal.
Yes, I did. That's why I came to your company. It's no fun in hunting.
Take a weapon, Mr. Eccles. All can do the job on dinosaurs.
Oh my god, now Africa and Australia will feel like Illinois.
Have you ever gone back in time?
No.
So don't make comparisons until you have. Now get ready. This is the jungle, 16 million years ago. Christ wasn't born yet. Moses hasn't gone to mountain to talk to God. This is the safari pathway. It's created so you don't touch the past. And listen attentively, Echoes. If you touch the past, all your memories, your aspects, and all you know about you will change. So don't touch the past. So, come on.
Say we accidentally kill one mouse here. That means all the future families of this one particle mouse are destroyed, and all the families of the families of the families of that one mouse. With a stamp of your foot, you annihilate first one, then 1,000 and 1,000, a million, billion possible mice.
So what if they died? It's just a single bloodline of mice. What's the worst it could happen?
Well, what about the foxes? Don't need to mice to survive. For one of 10 mice, a fox dies. For one of 10 fox, a lion starves. For one of a lion, all manner of insects, vultures, infinite billions of life forms are thrown into chaos and destruction. Eventually, it all boils down to this. 59 million years later, a caveman, one of a dozen on the entire world, goes hunting wild boar or saber-toothed tiger for food. But you, friend, have stepped on all the tigers in that bread by stepping on a single mouse. So the caveman starves, and the caveman, please note, in not just any expendable man. No, he is an entire future nation. From his loins would have sprung 10 tons, from their loins 100 tons, and those onward to a civilization. Destroy this one man and you destroy a race, people, an entire history of life. So stay on the path.
There he is in around 7 minutes. A tree will fall into him and you'll kill him. We'll shot on 6.
If we don't do something, that beast will kill us. We're like a mouse for him.
Try to calm yourself, Mr. Eccles.
No.
Come back here!
No lo pienso hacer. What did you say?
I don't think so.
Dig out your bullets.
What?
We can leave anything on the past, so dig out your bullets.
What?
Are you deaf or what? I said, dig out your damn bullet!
What have I done? Asesiné dozens of people. Años de historia destroyed. Dozens of societies eliminated. The European culture didn't exist. In fact, tal vez yo no exista. All these things I might have done con el solo hecho de un pequeño paso en la grama. Los nazis tal vez ganaron la guerra. Un mundo fascista, ¿qué tal eso? No lo sé. Simplemente he creado un mundo completamente diferente gracias a la torpeza del terror. Ese simple paso en la grass destroyed the world como lo conocemos. The Russians ganaron la carrera espacial y yo sigo aquí en esta máquina pensando sobre las consecuencias que este pequeño paso pudo haber ocasionado.
¿Qué hacen aquí? El Führer Cory los puede desaparecer si los encuentran a estas horas afuera.
¿El Führer?
El señor Deutscher, aliado del gran Führer Adolf Hitler.
Disculpe, ¿qué fecha es hoy?
Es el 20 de julio de 2047. El señor Deutscher fue nombrado ayer por el gran Führer. ¿Está todo bien?
Sí, está todo bien.